This home is in immaculate shape. Home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with separate dining and laundry room. Kitchen has enough room for a breakfast area. Roof is approximately 4 years old. Great colors and shouldn't need to do much except move your stuff. Benton Schools in Hartford Hills Subdivision. POA take care of entry, playground and has a walking trail. See agent remarks.